Okay, we just arrived at the campsite for Wuling Park. I don't know what to expect, and I didn't do any research on this place. I tried to research it in the car ride over here, but most of the videos I saw were basically telling me like, hey, this is the perfect season for cherry blossoms, check it out. That's all I really saw. So I'm hoping to learn a little bit more about this place and what it's all about. So that's where the camp was. We just follow that path down to here. And apparently there's another lookout place. Oh my gosh, this view. Look at that. Guys, this such an incredible view.
啊，照到顶哦，照到顶是要再远一点。Honey, you wanna take this one?
Here you go.
小心，稍等一下哦，红一格先不要。
Tell her to move to the left.
No.
Move to the left. Move to the left.
啊，
Sorry.
你不要等他。
Yeah. She's gonna get hurt.
他怕你。
Hold on, stand by. Ready?
啊。
All right, recording and wave out there.
喂，好，喂。
You wave. I was thinking about how to best describe this moment. Until you're here, it won't make sense. The views are incredible. It's silent, it's peaceful. And I've lost my breath because the altitude here is really high and the oxygen is really low. But I love it. The word is 漂亮.
好，再来一张，这样可以，手可以放。好，1、2、3，好，可以。
Sometimes it's just about enjoying the nature. You know, look at this.
This place is definitely beautiful and huge. Oh wow, look at that. That's amazing. We're lucky. We're lucky that we hit the peak of cherry blossom in the mountain.
If you notice, we're almost catching our breath because it's not only that we have to kind of hike uphill, it's because the mountaintop is already really high up in terms of altitude. So the air up here is very thin. It's noticeably thin and making it very difficult to actually breathe. So that's why, as we're talking, we're like, we're not running, we're not doing anything crazy. It's just the air truly is thin up here.
We're at about 2,500
Meters?
Meters, yeah. I think.
Oh, that is actually kind of beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this around.
I don't
go
know
for
what
it.
these are.
Oh, are those tea leaves?
I also just learned about this. So behind me, this is tea leaves. You get really good teas in the high
Altitude?
altitude. Yeah, where there's a lot of foggy area in a mountain area. Okay, I need to practice. Why don't you do it?
Okay, so what we're finding is a lot of areas where they're harvesting and what we're finding is a lot of areas where they grow and harvest tea leaves, because in these areas that have higher elevation, it's better with all the humidity and the fog for the tea. Apparently, that's what we were learning.
好，可以，可以，可以。
So this is one of the most photogenic spots here, and we're surrounded by these beautiful cherry blossoms. And I'm waiting for my wife to jump up there because she wants to take a shot of me. So she's all the way over there. She's running, 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 running. I don't know how far she wants to go, but she's not taking a picture of me. She's taking a picture of somebody else. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here until. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here and see where she goes.
等一下啊。
Oh, honey, do you want to sit in the tree?
Sit in a tree. For Zhang Kaishan.
Who's that? Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Over here, 3,886 meters, 33, it's up here. You can see it. A little over 3,000 meters high.
One more. Oh, sorry.
This is the pond, and I just wanted to come over here and take a look at what's going on over here. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't find that too interesting, but I guess there's some historical significance, and because it's a natural pond on top of a mountain, that makes it kind of cool. But look at this view. And sun. Oh, not bad. Hold on. Let's take a wider one. Yeah. I'm doing a little bit of both. Yeah. What's the significance of this place?
The significance of this place is this is one of the vacation homes of the first president of Republic of China, ROC. Where?
On the other side.
Where?
I wanted to do something fun and silly. 1, 2, 3, silly.
OK， 好，搞笑哦，搞笑哦，数到3，搞笑姿势1、2、3。
Okay, so the problem with going with a big group is sometimes they don't always want to do the same thing. We're not always on the same page, and everyone kind of wants to go do their own thing, and that doesn't give us a lot of time. So as they were exploring this site, I decided that I'm just gonna go let you guys do your thing. I'm gonna go fly the drone, and I'm glad I did because I got some incredible shots, and those are some views you cannot get unless you have a drone. As soon as I get out, I'm gonna fly the drone.
Okay. 1 minuto.
We're heading back to the hostel right now. It's a race against time. We're about a minute away, and the sun is going down, causing this beautiful sunset. And I'm hoping to catch up with the drone. So once we get off the car, I am going to set up the drone, fly it, and hopefully get the shot, and hopefully share with you guys what I'm seeing, which is the beautiful clouds rolling over the hills as the sun's setting behind it. I know you guys can't see me, but let's see if we can get it. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Hold on. All right. See it?
I think it's over.
Okay.
Aye.
Watch out. Look. My screen. Wow.
摄影机啊，来看。
Oh, this is all this down here. Remember, curve to the right. So right now, I'm about 700 feet away from us. No, it's fine. See it? Just look around. And that's us right there, right? Is that us? Wow, I flew out far. I think this is us right here, right? Oh, I gotta come down. Wait, that's not us. I can't tell either. I hear it.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh,
叫他回来啊。
let's look around us while I'm up already. Okay, I think I'm ready to come down. Just want to make sure I can spot us.
Yeah, that's us.
Ow! Whew. All right, I got the shot.
You got the shot?
Got the shot I wanted.